Have you ever found yourself having to stop mid-design because you couldn't remember where a SOLIDWORKS command was located? Or maybe you've thought, I know SOLIDWORKS can do this, but I just can't remember what the feature is called. Whether you're new to SOLIDWORKS or have been using it for years, searching through toolbars, tabs, and menus to find the commands we need interrupts our workflow and costs us valuable time. That's exactly what the AI-powered Command Predictor was designed to alleviate. Today, we're going to take a look at how the Command Predictor works, why it's more than just another shortcut, and how it can help us design more efficiently. The Command Predictor is an AI-powered tool built directly into SOLIDWORKS. It analyzes your workflow as you are modeling and learns from the commands you commonly use. It then recognizes patterns in your modeling process and predicts which commands you're likely to use next. Those predicted commands appear directly in the Command Manager in the Command Predictor tab, giving you one-click access to the tools you're most likely looking for. Think of it as having SOLIDWORKS quietly learn how you model so it can help eliminate unnecessary searching and clicking. SOLIDWORKS is an incredibly capable piece of software. It includes hundreds of features spread across dozens of toolbars, drop-downs, flyout menus, and Command Manager tabs. But even experienced users occasionally have moments where they know exactly what they want to accomplish, but still need to hunt for the command. Oftentimes, it only takes a handful of seconds to find what we are looking for, but if it happens repeatedly, that can add up. Each time we have to search, our workflow is interrupted, and if that's happening dozens of times each day, those interruptions can nickel and dime our time away. If you're newer to SOLIDWORKS, the benefits are even more obvious. When designing, one of the biggest challenges for new users is determining what feature should be used next and where that command lives. SOLIDWORKS is a very robust piece of software, and sometimes it can seem daunting to learn for new users. The Command Predictor helps shorten the learning curve by suggesting tools that naturally follow your current task. It helps guide you towards the next logical step in your modeling process. Over time, this helps users become more familiar with the commands they may not have discovered on their own, while also building confidence using the software. Now, you might be thinking, I've been using SOLIDWORKS for years. I already know where everything is. But knowing where a command lives doesn't mean you're always accessing it in the most efficient way. Experienced users often perform thousands of repetitive actions every week in SOLIDWORKS. Even saving 1 or 2 clicks on a certain workflow or with a certain feature can quickly add up. The Command Predictor can help reduce mouse travel, minimize command hunting, and helps keep your focus on the model instead of on the interface. I'm also a big advocate for taking advantage of other shortcuts and efficiency tools like the S shortcut toolbar, mouse gestures, and hotkeys, and you should be taking advantage of them as well. An added benefit of the Command Predictor is that due to its analysis of how you use the software, it can even help identify commands that you didn't even realize you used as often as you do, which can help us identify commands that we can add to our existing shortcuts, or we can simply rely on the Command Predictor to bring those commands up when we need them. And that's really where the Command Predictor becomes valuable. The AI adapts to your workflow instead of expecting every workflow to look the same. It looks at the sequence of commands you use, identifies patterns, and gradually learns which tools typically come next in your design process, so that the recommendations become increasingly relevant over time. If you frequently create sketches, followed by an extrude, and then immediately add fillets or chamfers, for example, the Command Predictor will recognize those habits and start suggesting those features in the order that you typically use them. It's not simply showing popular commands, it's learning your workflow. One of the biggest productivity killers in anyone's workflow is a break in our concentration and focus. Every time we need to stop and search for a command, we're shifting our attention away from modeling and instead toward having to navigate the software to hunt for exactly what we need. The less time we can spend thinking about where commands are located, the more time we can spend thinking about our designs. That's exactly the kind of repetitive task AI is well suited to improve. This isn't replacing engineering decisions, it's simply reducing the friction between your ideas and the tools you need to create them in SOLIDWORKS. The AI-powered Command Predictor is one of those features that may seem small at first, but its value grows the more you use it. It can reduce clicks, minimize modeling interruptions, and keep your workflow moving without needing to hunt for commands. If you haven't tried it yet, try enabling the Command Predictor and spend a few days designing with it. You may be surprised by how quickly those small time savings can add up. Also be sure to check out the other AI-powered tools now available in SOLIDWORKS for other ways to help reduce tedious work and bring more efficiency to your CAD workflows. Thanks for watching, and if you'd like to see more SOLIDWORKS tips, AI features, and productivity enhancements, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss future videos.